In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a free personal Jira Kanban workspace for managing your daily tasks and projects. If you use structured project tools at work but still manage your own life with scattered notes and random reminders, this setup can make a huge difference. The goal here is to create a clean visual system for personal planning, side projects, study goals, and everyday task tracking, all inside Jira's free cloud environment. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to Atlassian's official signup page or directly to id.atlassian.com. From there, choose the Google sign up option if you want the fastest setup path, then complete the sign in process and create your private Atlassian site. This gives you your own personal cloud workspace where everything will live. Once you land in the main workspace area, open the project template library and select the Kanban project template. When Jira asks what type of project you want, choose Team Managed Project. This option is ideal for a personal setup because it's simple, flexible, and easy to customize without extra administration. Give your project a clear name, something that reflects your personal system, then create it. When your board opens, take a moment to shape the columns so they match the way you actually work. Add and arrange the columns so your workflow moves from life backlog to focus this week to in progress doing and finally to done. This creates a natural left to right flow that makes your priorities easy to scan at a glance. Next, start adding tasks from the bottom of your backlog column. Keep each task title short, clear, and action-oriented. After creating a card, open it and use the description area to add a simple markdown checklist. Type bracket, space bracket to create checklist items, then list the specific actions needed to complete that task. This is a great way to turn vague goals into visible, trackable steps. After that, use the labels field on the right side of the card to tag tasks by category. For example, you might use labels for development, personal finance, or life admin. These labels become especially useful later when your board grows and you want to quickly filter by area of focus. If you want a faster way to update progress, return to the main board and simply drag a task card from one column to another. For example, when something is finished, drag it into done. Jira automatically records the status change so you can keep your board current without opening each task individually. Before